Good morning and welcome to Weininger Racing YouTube channel. Today in the shop we have this beautiful race car from one of the local racers, and he has made an investment in some wings. These are some pretty awesome wings, but the problem with them is the way they were mounted. So we can see here the old mount kind of tied into the body there. It doesn't hold it very securely. Yesterday in the shop I made up this guy here, brackets and tie bar to tie it into the pillar of the car a little bit better. So that nice big wing will now be held securely. And then we come around to the front, and what we have here is this awesome wing. Comes with the pivoting apparatus so you can adjust your pitch, but the problem is the way it's mounted. As you can see here, it's warped. Looks like someone tried to mount something in the back there, didn't work too well. Then we got these cables, and basically this thing just moves around. And one thing about wings, the whole purpose is to add stability, but if it's not anchored to the car properly, what it's going to do is send you off into the weeds instead of keep you on the track. So today we're going to work on this car, make sure this racer wins races instead of getting towed off the racetrack. Make sure to like and subscribe. Come along with all the projects we got going on here, which is a lot of them. We're going to get them all done for you this year. And you guys get to watch the progress in all of them. Like and subscribe, and thanks a lot. Have a great day.